Okay, we're gonna take a quick look at this tattoo machine. This is rechargeable, adjustable, and all that good stuff. That's stencil cartridges. Nice. Okay, so I have the whole 20-piece cartridges. This is one of those kind of human skin simulator that a lot of times is actually used for training as well. And then we have the machine itself. We're going to open it. Second, we have the sealant. Is that our vitamin A and the vitamin D ointment? Two of them. Yep, we have the vitamins here. There is some ink here. So we have, was that 5 milliliter each bottle. They have some kind of a white one, red, yellow, blue, dark blue, I would say, green, and kind of a purple. And these are samples that come with. Then we have gloves, latex work glove. And then here we have the triple black. Oh yeah, this one is the deep one. And we have a soap cleaning here. We have the closed cap. We have the wrap for around the machine. We should have, oh, here we go. That's the stencils that I'm talking about. And besides that, well, there's nothing else actually here. And, well, let's start with unboxing the machine itself. Okay, and here's the tattoo machine. And let's open it up real quick and see what's inside. Says tattoo machine, power on, adjust the voltage, speed of puncture, strength of puncture, reset timer, charging and operation alarm. Then we have attachment here, the battery itself, charger, USB-A to Type-C, and the machine. That's all we need to know here. Let's see what's inside. Oh, it feels good. Like I feel cold metal. That's usually a good indicator. No, okay, so the stepper works really nice. You can adjust it from 4.2 up to 2.4. Okay, 3, and everything looks good. We're gonna put a quick charger here. See, yep, you can change the battery, put the connector here directly for some reason if you want to. That is really cool. Okay, well, we put this quick right now and put the rest of it in really quick. We have the cartridges that we're gonna need. Okay, and, we have 20 here, 10, 1205. Okay, are they the same? Nope, multi-head, 1207. These are 1209. Oh, these are the big ones. This should be smaller one at 1203. So we have 1203, 1205, 1207, and 1209. That is really cool. We're gonna do something real quick with a 1203, and this is the smallest needle you have here. Take it, make sure these packages are not torn or anything when you get them, and that's it. That's the pin. Yep, it has a really good spring because that matters a lot. That's what comes out either travel, and the spring inside feels really good. Now, okay, so let's put it on the machine real quick, see how it fits and feels. Okay, and let me get some of this wrap quick, get everything ready. I'm hoping this battery is charged a little bit at least. Oh, we can use this for multi things. No, it feels really good. I'm not gonna waste this, but put it on the side. And if you want to wrap the machine, you can wrap, but I'm not doing a real tattoo on a human. See, I have too many, and I wish I had a tattoo remover right now instead. That's one of those things. So let me get some ink really quick, and I think I'm just gonna go with triple black. Just a few dots, but first let me turn on the machine and see what happens. We are at 7.1 volt. We can go in intensity up to, what's the max? Should be around 12. Yep, 12 is the max intensity here. 199 hertz, and that's pretty much it. But let me lower it because I really do not want to go 12. I'm gonna do 7.5, be more than enough. And if you click this right here, it starts the machine, the power button, and here is where we can now select the needle depth. If I can show you the needle cam there. Yep, boy, this is at 4.2 right now. See it coming out. Yep. Well, let's do some tattooing here. The stencils now depends how you want to do this one. It's totally up to you. Based on how I remember doing this stuff, at least it was fill it from the neck. But you can do however you want to do it. Second, well, start inking here. Oh yeah, now my fingers are going to be full of stuff. Always have your cleaning roll in standby. And how I remember is we used to do that. Drip a little bit, not too much. You can overfill this very easy. It doesn't take a lot to do a lot on the tattoo itself. When you see it going towards the tip of the neck. Usually that's when you stop and twist this down a little bit. Locks, and you are ready now to turn on the machine. Just give it a second. Sometimes you can have a spill or two, and don't be scared. It is normal. It's nothing abnormal about it. So let's go. Now let me increase the... I'm going to do a clean slate here, just so you can actually see me do a free run. Turn it off real quick. And that is, that's actually quite good. And as I said, in human skin, you'd be able to wipe this very easy. On this, not really, because this is silicone. And silicone is not going to be that easy to just wipe it like that. But you get the point. And as it dries out, this is actually working really nice, I would say. And besides that, when you're done doing your tattoo and all that, whether you use a stencil or you trace something with a pen, that you do something really quick, for example, like I did here, like this. Let's say somebody who wants to do this. You still have to cover the machine so you don't get spills from the fill neck. And then after that, you can even use water. I've seen people use alcohol to clean the machine itself. Depends on what you want or have. And take this out real quick. These guards, you can just get normal ones anywhere. I pulled a little bit too hard there. And the neck is right here. Put a piece of paper, at least this time. And you can put this back on the machine if you want to, and get like a small container of water and just redo it. Usually this, I don't know why you would clean it, because I highly suggest do not use this twice, even on the same person. Let's say you did a session. Let's say you're doing a sleeve, right? Or a whole arm. You're not gonna be able to do more than maybe 3 inches that whole day. Forget about it. Don't do more than 3 inches, because that gets into other territory. After you're done for that day session, do not reuse this cartridge. Just based on personal experience, I'd highly suggest just go through them. They're not that expensive at all. Just buy another pack and you're on the safe side. These are really not expensive at all. So don't be that guy, even though you have the soap and all that. And then when it's all and done, don't forget to first turn off the machine by holding this button, and boom, it's off. Then use the vitamin A plus vitamin D ointment. That's what you get. These are available in pharmacies. Look what I did to myself. Great. These are available in pharmacies too. So this is nothing rare or anything. And then you apply it to the tattoo itself, so it heals before you wrap it, or however you want to go around it. As I said, I'm not a tattoo professional, so I'm just saying what I know based on how my tattoos were made. And besides that, there's really nothing else I can show you, except that you have multi-needles, big needles. Then we have, as we said, we have, what was this, 03? Yeah, that was the 03. We have an 05. We have an 07. And the famous 09. That usual, this is for filling, not deep. With the 09, I would not dare go deep. You know, that's not how it works. And that's pretty much it. This is really cool that you can even take it out and charge it. Let me put this in real quick. And we don't have a plug here, but if we had a plug here, we can connect it directly. That is actually really cool. And besides that, we are good to go.